Hello again. The idea of using a crossover like a tone control, it's a success. I can tell you the sound, it's absolutely different. Really nice highs, fluffy bass. You can even simulate the loudness, at low levels. It's amazing. We got new loudspeakers or what? So this guy simply brought life to everything. And of course, the next step is to include the mids into the mix. So for now, I just had the bass and highs. Now we're gonna have the mids too. I'll open the case and I'll do all these connections inside here, straight in here, to avoid any other extra cables and also make the things simpler. So I will not make any complication with cables and so on. And of course, eventually, if I need a classic crossover, it's very easy to take out the connections. It's back with the same kind of work it's done before. Now, let's take out the top for now. 3 more screws behind here. Oh, beautiful. Look at this guy. So nice, so simple, and so easy to do the mode. So all we have to do is to have pin 2. There we have pin 2 and 2 and 2 and another here. That's all we have to do, is to connect these pins together. And so far, going to pin 2, I can see there is a resistor. We have a capacitor also. This one is going to the ground, I suppose. But we have resistor here. And anything else? No. So, if we take it the other way, it's a very simple mode. You see? I have to connect this pin with this one and another one here. 1, 2, 3. Very, very simple. Let me grab my soldering iron. And by the way, we can measure that resistor there. Let's see what we got. I can see on pin 2. Where is pin? This is pin 2. That's the one. So we got a 2.2 kilo ohms resistor. Do we have one here? I don't see it around, but it should be there. Oh yeah, look here. On the mids, 2.2 kilo. This one, 2.2. And so, like I said, all we have to do is to strap these lines there. That's the most important signal path. And the next piece of wire, I have to thin the wire before doing any mumbo jumbo here. Okay, come on. Perfect. And here we go. To number. Okay, and it's not number 2, but it's medium. And put them together. Perfect. Now let's go to the other side. I'll use a little bit of fresh solder because this one is, I'm pretty sure it's not lidded, no lid, and it's very hard to melt. This is a wire. Come on. There we are. Let's check the connections. We check for any kind of ground short. So that's ground. Good, good, and good. Yes. Okay, guys. So you see, the connections have been done. So I tied together pin 2 and 3 to each of the XLR. Let's check behind here. We have this switch. That's the low, mid, low, high X-over frequency, X1 or X10. Well, I'll use it on X1 on both channels. All right. These two guys have to be up for a 3-way stereo. All right, this had to be up because this is normally in stereo. When we push it, then we'll zoom the low frequencies. Everything looks good there. Okay, let me have the output to any of those outputs. We're supposed to have the same equal signal, and let me have some signal input. So let me open a audio track. Mono on channel 9. So the track is armed. We can start recording right now. Okay, let's wait for some more interesting parts. Input level. Let's wait for some rhythm. So now on this channel, okay, let's cut down the, or put it to 0 first, only the bass. Okay, I'll use that crossover on X10. So that means now we are under 60 Hertz. We are under 60 Hertz here. So let's go to, let's say, 200. Okay, hear that very clear. We can go up to 930. Okay, let's have it on 0. Now let's add some medium. And we can choose the medium from here. And usually I let it around 1.5 kilohertz or something. Let's push the volume. I can gain to up to plus 5 dB, and I can reduce the medium to minus 6 dB. So we also can subtract and we can add. Nice. That's interesting. Okay, mediums. Let's put some treble. There we go. Beautiful. I can alter the low band. I can go very, very deep. Oh my. My furniture is vibrating. That's 60 Hertz. Okay, so that's it. A very simple mood. We just have to add some wires, connect pin 2 and 3 to all of the outputs, and there is a new life or a new function of a classic crossover. I hope it's useful. Thank you for now. If you have any question, please don't hesitate, write them down. And in the meantime, don't forget, subscribe and like. See you. Bye bye.